Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be walking ourselves through on how to connect our phone to our ALX sandbox using Termius SSH Connect. This will actually help for those of which are using maybe bad battery computer, or maybe we don't actually have a computer for now. By installing Termius, after installation, you open the app. You could just skip or you register. That's up to you, but normally for this section we will skip the registration part. So after that, there's a particular part whereby the screen will go blank because of security stuff. So now make sure you click on use Termiux only on this device, and after that you click on connecting. It's an easy step. So after that, we will need to go into our sandbox. We will need to copy our host name, our username, and our password in order to be able to connect. So now on our sandbox, let's go to our sandbox. Sorry, we are using this video for ALX. So now you copy the host name, then you make sure you put in the host name, the host, as you can see there, the host. You copy it and put it on your um, Termiux by clicking new host. So you put in your desired username, alias, any alias you want. So you put in the host name if you've copied, then you make sure you turn off SSH and continue. So after that you connect, then it asks you this, then you click on SSH. After clicking on SSH, then you copy your username and you put in your username there. So after the username, continue, then it asks you for your password. So after the username, so you could just continue on the approved fingerprint part. Then it asks you for password. Then you go to your sandbox again, copy the password, then you put in the password, save and continue. Then you agree. So now you can actually use this for any of your projects, and I would have loved to start doing any of it, but I can't. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.